Hello, it's me, Tater Tot, and I'm doing a voiceover intro because, man, I was not prepared to make this video at all. I am completely unfunny, and my voiceover and commentary is completely useless. As you can see from the camera angle, you can't see anything either. So, why don't we just, have a good time here? I'm just gonna put the whole next segment in just like a thing. What? Oh, music. I'm gonna put music and I'm gonna speed it up, and you're just gonna see me take apart a controller, completely destroy it, get sad about destroying part of it, and then you're gonna see me put it back together. Actually, you won't see that. Oh, maybe you will actually. I don't remember. I haven't seen this is all going in, by the way. I'm not gonna change any of this. So yeah, I hope you like watching the video and hearing the royalty-free music that I put in here. The next video will be better, I promise. I just need this to be done, and no matter what I do, it's gonna be terrible. So it's just funnier this way, alright? Stop complaining. I can already hear you typing a comment. No, I can't, because no one's gonna watch this. But if you do watch it, don't say how terrible it is. Actually, do say it. You know what? I don't care. Do what you want. I'm not your dad.
It's clear to me there's something that's uncomforting. Your body is away with me, but I'm exactly where I wanna be. But I'm a long way from home.
I know your voice, I know your face. This is something I cannot replace. Gave me hope and gave me doubt. Well, I loved you then, but I don't love you now. I'm a long way from home. 'Cause we're a long way from home.
Now listen out, don't walk away.
I've got nothing more to say.
Can you see it in my dying face?
You're acting like I care.
Now is there anything Yes, you're a part of me, and I'm a part of you. Yes, you're a part of me, and I'm a part of you.
So now that we're nearly working, now we just have to test it in the game. I'm going to stop the timer. Time stop at 1:40-ish. Then we're going to, Risk of Rain doesn't update. Well, we're going to update Risk of Rain. And then we're going to use it as a benchmark for the controller. And if it works properly, with no stick drift at all, then we're good to go. It's fine. USB device went away. Can you stay connected, micro USB cable? God, I hate micro USB. It's actually like the worst. Anyone who likes micro USB, you can fight me about it, but it is worse than even mini USB. It's genuinely a terrible connector. It breaks so easily. It's just genuinely terrible. Look, it's Engineer Gaming. All right. Nope. There we go. Controller, just stay connected long enough. The rumble works. So the way that this game is really good at testing is with the character. If I hold back and he doesn't stay facing that direction, then there's stick drift on the left stick. But because he faces the direction every time, that's fine. I'm going to call that a resounding success. Can't press the start button because it's not assembled all the way. All right. Resounding success. Well, she's done there. I'm going to unplug this. And we're going to reassemble her. Just make sure the battery is in the right place. It is. Push it back together. But this pile over here in the corner is just the death, the mess that you get after a successful operation. But that's just like the leftover organs after a brain surgery, you know. You don't need all of them. And I replaced them anyway, so like there's no point in keeping those around. But besides that, we're goated. Controller's all good. And I'm just going to put I'm going to put even the controllers that you didn't see on the table. We're good. That's good for that video. My phone is about to die, but that's it for this. Hopefully, if you like this video, I mean, you don't have to like it, but you should probably, leave a comment. You don't have to like it. And leave a comment. Tell me if you want to see me take apart more stuff, or comment what you want me to do. I'm willing to, I want to solder more. I really want to do like a fat PS2. Although me and my friends are talking about redoing Destiny 1, so I think the next video might just be me getting a PS3 and then reapplying the thermal compound on that. Because they need it at this point. They're pretty old. So I could get a PS3 and then you might see some Destiny 1 videos on the channel. I'm not really sure.